Hey, so in this particular exercise, the plan was to create a sort of very loose drawing of exercise. So it needed to sort of exude energy. It needed to be something that gets you going in the gym. So I started with a sketch, and this was really important to kind of map out in my mind how I was going to go about it. The sketch itself is pretty crap, but it gives me a pretty good idea of proportionally how I want to position it in the space that I've got. And then I could kind of work it out. Now I start with masking off the space that I'm going to use, and then painting it black, and then a nice chalk drawing, just to sort of kind of, once again, just plot it. It doesn't have to be too accurate at this point of time. And it gave me a very good idea of what I was doing wrong. From there, it's a case of going over your chalk drawings with white paint, and then bringing in your colors. The next image has to kind of work really well with the first image, so it's going to take on a similar type persona. I start once again with an ink sketch, to map it out in my mind. I block off where I'm going to paint it. I paint it background black and do a chalk drawing to start with. Once that's done, I can go in with the white and then bring in some colour. Exactly the same as I did on the other one, starting with yellow, then going blue, then going to red.